So last week I thought it would be fun to try some macro photography with the binghamite, and I was right. It was fun. So this week I thought I'd try some macro photography with some of the other rocks that I'd polish, because I thought that would be fun. And again, I was right. It was fun. So I thought I'd share some of those photos with you and just kind of show you how I take those photos. Enjoy. One really quick thing before we begin. The channel right now is really close to 2,000 subscribers. So to celebrate when we hit that, I'm going to be making a question and answer video. So if you've got any questions that you'd like answered, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. I'll also be making a community post where you can ask your questions too. And if you haven't subscribed already, please consider helping out and help me reach that goal. Alright, that's all. Thank you. So this is the setup I'm using. Got my camera on a tripod. This is actually my laptop, but the keyboard has this nice felt on the back, so it's not going to reflect any light up and make weird reflections. This eraser here is for if I've got a weird shaped rock and need to prop it up. And then I just have this set up on a timer. And that's all there is to it.